How to change file access permission on Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. Open up your web browser and then go to drive.google.com. Once you get here, click on any folder that you have shared with others. So I'm just going to go to this folder called Photos, and I'm just going to quickly share this to show you guys. So I'm going to right click on it and click on Share and click on Share again. And if it has been shared with anyone else, it will be shown right here. I'm going to share it with this person as the editor. So they will have the editor access, meaning they can add, delete, and modify the photos on this particular folder. But if you want to change that, let's say if you want to access it again, go to that particular folder again, then right click on it, and you'll see the person icon. You can just click on it directly. It will show you the shared option. Now, if you want to change their access, all you have to do is click on this option. And then let's say if I just want them to be a viewer, then don't want them to edit anything on this folder, I'm just going to click on viewer and then click on save. Once that is done, you've successfully changed the access settings for your folder in Google Drive. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.